Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to my real estate investing adventures. Today I'm getting ready to go out and look at some properties. I had the radio on earlier and I was listening to an old 80s song, Whitesnake. I don't know where I'm going, but I sure know where I've been. That relates a lot to real estate, doesn't it? You may not know where you're going with your career in real estate, but you sure know where you've been with your daily grind, your daily jobs. So this is what I want to tell you. If you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, get out there and do what you need to do to make your real estate work. You are in the driver's seat. You control your future. You control your destiny. If you don't like where you're going, make a change today. Draw a line in the sand. I want to see everybody out there do well. I want to see everybody make money. I want to see real estate investor success out there. But you have to take the first step. Make it happen today. Make the commitment. Get in the driver's seat. And who knows where you'll be 6 months or a year from now. Go make your dreams a reality. Take care. Believe and achieve. Bye-bye.